Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today we have a National Clown Day special. National Puppy Show Day special. This video dropped on August 6th. I don't know when the first time you're going to hear it. But August 6th is Jamaica's quote-unquote Independence Day. I prefer to call it National Clown Day. People believe that Jamaica is an independent country are clowns. When you run around and celebrate on August 6th, make sure you have on a wig on your head and a red nose. Clowns. The only people I give a pass are children, because they don't know no better. The Jamaican child don't know no better, so they can get a pass. Any adult running around talking about Happy Independence Day, give them a wig and a red nose, that's a clown. You don't even know the meaning of independence. I'm reading somebody from the Patreon school and they asked me a question. So look at YouTube, based on how I see and I observe about the place and what do you think? You think Jamaica is actually, you think Jamaicans in general are patriotic? I briefly touched on this before, but I don't think I've done a whole video, so see that today. I'm giving it today. Do not mix up patriotism with noise and dramatics. When you see online when Jamaicans are war with other people from other countries on Twitter and anything there, that's just exciting and fun and whole heap of jokes get made and memes, and that's not patriotism. Same way Jamaicans don't know the meaning of independence, same way they don't even know what patriotism look like. These are Irish Saxons, and don't worry, the Irish Saxon video will come down the road. But then type of video there, say, if we take time, I'm not reading a definition. I build a concept, So when the video done, I say, oh look how I left out the part there. So it's in a pot of cook. Season up and everything, so make it simmer down before the video drop. As you can tell, it's Olympics time. I have noticed something. Jamaicans are now as insufferable as the Yankee. I remember when it was Jamaica that was dominating the sprinting, 100 meters, 200 meters, man, woman. I used to think the Yankee them are the most insufferable group of people. When I listen to them, when Jamaica wins something, did you notice how? Did you see this? And I think it's this. Just insufferable people. I used to think, boy, these Yankees are some sore losers, some embarrassing people. Like, look how much things on our phone, no beat and conquer and batter the whole world. You're not happy, you don't want all medal too. You don't want gold medal to this. All them down the war for. That's insufferable. But now I'm listening to Jamaicans, now that bad blessing drop on Ironman. Most depressing Olympics in a whole long. I'm already telling them the timing, spooky. I don't know why I go on still, but go on play stupid. I'm telling them so now getting the fun the blessing them take away now. National blessing take away. See first one they gone. But now that Ironman now win 100 meters and 200 meters all of a sudden, I get to realize that Jamaicans and Yankee really not that much different, in many ways. Just as insufferable. In track and field, it's when the tourists go over the line, they get the winner. Not foot, not eyelash, not nose, not toe, but torso. Not because we don't have gold medal in the Olympics, 100 meters and 200 meters, and we don't win the sprinting race them in Olympics. So we not nothing to brag about. So we can't brag about that. Look on the bright side. Look how much other things we can brag about as a nation. You can brag about being leaders in rifle walk. You're the best rifle walkers in the world. That's something, right? No? You can brag about Jamaican children being mentally and psychologically sound and not being ruined by their parents and their family members and their community and their nation. No, can't do that. Hold on, let me see one more now. I know, education. Globally, we all know Jamaica's education system and the students who come through it are world leaders and world beaters, so we can brag about that. Oh, we can? I know, how about things like, science and innovation and, creating things and, inventing things that the whole world just drop down and say, Lord, this is so amazing, but like STEM field, Jamaica is like a world leader in the STEM field, and no, can't do that either. I know, we can brag about our great governance, right? The Jamaican government, Jamaican politics, PNP, JLP, world leaders, they helped like the world look up to Jamaica as governor, like that Jamaica is the standard for God. No, can't do that either. I know infrastructure, we can, on the global stage, it's not a sprint in Jamaica, right, known for. We're also known for our great infrastructure and all them things. And the world is so jealous of it. No, we can't do that either. Great history of our family structures being intact. No, can't do that either. Hold on, this is hard, I'm trying to think here. I know, I got one. Worldwide, the entire world look up to Jamaica for its amazing healthcare industry. You know, just like world leaders like Spanish Town Hospital, Public, like the world, that's the standard. That's like Cornwall Regional. When I talk about the infrastructure and everything, and you know, the hospital beds and the whole thing, just world lead. No, can't do that either. Damn, this is getting real ugly. Oh, I know, I love to talk about music, right? I love to talk about music, so Jamaican artists dominate the Billboard Top 10 and sell more albums than everybody else. Can't do that either. You know what? Go and argue about sprinting because it really is the one thing Jamaica had globally to beat people with. So I don't blame them. Go on war feet. Jamaicans, in particular Irish Saxons, are some of the least patriotic people you'd ever find. It's part of the reason why I call them Irish Saxons. They're not actually Saxons. Physically they're not Saxons. Them DNA are not Saxons. It's a mental and psychological thing. It's a culture and mindset thing. It's not enough that Jamaicans destroy their children so much. Enough I want to walk around right now. We love, they go to the anger upon the world. And the parents, them on the problem. Are really mommy issues you have, daddy issues. But you don't want to accept it. Take some of the money where I spend on NSC and go pay for your therapist and you'll see. They destroy their children, destroy their communities, destroy their homeland, plunder it. Telling man to go suck them mother online is not patriotism. We won't call patriot when you see Jamaicans are cuss because people just love cuss. Well, I guess I found one. That's it. Sending people up under their mama. Jamaica is a world leader in that. I found it. See, I finally find something. Sending people up under their mama is something nobody can handle like Jamaica. Right across, there's no country can do it with an Iron Man. World leaders. See, I find something. But that's not patriotism, is it? An American or a Canadian or a Frenchman or a German, a Swiss, a Chinese, a Russian, etc. patriot. If you listen to how them speak, you can see it's vastly different from how the quote-unquote patriots speak in Jamaica. Jamaica is a service-based country, a service-based economy. Jamaicans are bred to serve. From the plantation days till now. That's why Jamaicans are so embracing of outsiders, because those outsiders go to Ireland to get served in one way, shape or form at the time of their life. A Yankee, a militant Yankee patriot will look you straight in your eye and tell yourself to go F off back to Africa. Even though you never born there. Let me say that one more time. A militant Yankee patriot who is all about quote-unquote America. We look at Jamaican and them yai ball and tell themselves to go F off back to Africa. And that Jamaican has never even set foot in Africa. And let me tell you, so if you do come here, make sure you realize stand on your place. And any day you forget that, we'll remind you. He will tell you, say America come first in everything. Everybody else come second. Even when America is the aggressor, him still say America. Jamaican just write to Twitter posts and tell man to go suck them home, but in a real life they are submissive to foreigners, especially them Daddy Billy Joe. Let me say that one more time. Jamaicans might tell man to go suck them home on Twitter, but in a real life Jamaicans are submissive to foreigners. How can Jamaicans be patriot when they've nurtured a society where the only people who feel like they're in heaven are foreigners? Let me say that one more time. How can Jamaicans be considered patriots when they have nurtured a society, they've built a society where the only people who feel like they're in heaven are non-Jamaicans, foreigners? Be like heaven. Jamaicans have nurtured a society whereby the crime rate against the locals is the highest in the whole world. But the crime rate against the foreigners is one of the lowest in the whole world. 0.1%. We're talking about the rate, you know. The crime rate against foreigners in Jamaica is 0.1%. When foreign guy go Iron and he go out with him friend, oh, Jamaicans are the nicest people on earth. They're so friendly and welcoming. Jamaicans don't go to America, Canada, UK, Russia, China and say these people are the most amazing and welcoming people ever. But a guy from Connecticut can walk through March Pen Road and look every killing of them yai. Spend 3 days round there and go back a foreign and go tell people it's the nicest, safest place you ever see. Then they even want him hear a gunshot. The whole I gun them get locked on him on this. Jamaicans are so obsessed and programmed to please foreigners. That's when time foreign guy in the area, them tell the kill them say, yo, ease off of the badness. We don't want to upset our guests. Remember, Jamaicans are allegedly so hungry and poor and desperate they have to kill to survive. But they only kill the locals. Let me say that one more time. Jamaicans are so hungry allegedly and so poor and desperate to survive that they have to kill to make it to the next day. But the people who they kill look just like them. Millions of foreigners set foot on Ironman and the bodies of gunmen in a mobile walk right past them on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Then him walk go up in our flankers go shoot it up. Billy Joe walk through flankers with camera on him neck will cost $10,000 to be a picture. This is cool, man. And then I look on him. But if them see how you do an iPhone 3, I walk through the place, let me take you and box you and rob you. And say I treat him desperate and they need food to eat. Jamaica is a foreigner's paradise. That's why enough man who come from developed nations run left for them place go Iron Man. I tell you how this work, right? An exceptional Jamaican, anywhere foreign, all the time him have the brightest mind in the company. There's an invisible barrier in front of him. He have to be 10 times as bright, 10 times as sharp, 10 times as focused. He have to come and work out 3 hours early to get to the same level as his mediocre American or Canadian colleague. But in Jamaica, a mediocre Canadian can walk in a company all of a sudden and hear the co-worker them start whisper, but hold on, he don't really know nothing. They never vet him properly. Of course they never vet him properly because his real qualification is the fact that he's not unquote nigger. His real qualification is his accent. His hair color, his eyes, his skin, that's his real qualification. No, people are gonna say, see it again, him love talk about them things, yeah, because them things are make you uncomfortable. Them things are bitter, just like the good bush them. Have you ever noticed, when Jamaicans go foreign, when Jamaicans go America, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Switzerland, Russia, China, they are called immigrants. A Jamaican or foreign is an immigrant. An American, a Canadian, a French, a British in Jamaica is called an expat. Have you ever noticed that? Why don't you call yourself immigrant, guy? A Jamaican, sometimes Jamaicans go foreign and get all passport of these countries now. They become naturalized citizens and they are still looked at as immigrants. Man who born in the country don't see them as them equal. Immigrant. But when foreign guy drop a Iron Man, they are expats. Oh, I'm a part of the expat community. Guy, you're an immigrant too. But they don't use the word immigrant because throughout history, they've used the word immigrant in such a demeaning way. And them know what they mean when they call people immigrant. So them don't want the title. So them call themselves expat. Because they know immigrant mean mere size. When if you're listening to me. When they say, oh, he's a Jamaican immigrant in Toronto. The moment the Toronto guy hear that, immediately, subconsciously, less than. You're not listening to me. Whether it's legal or illegal, immigrant or foreign mean less than. Oh, but no, what it really means is that, because I did this course and it just means that it's a person who, guy, this is bigger than you, sit this one out. I'm telling you subconsciously, when the Yankee guy and the Canadian guy and the French guy and the German guy and the British guy hear immigrant, the next thing that trigger off in their brain subconsciously is less than. This is not my equal. Billy Joe know that. Foreign guy know that. So when time him die Jamaica, him call himself an expat. Because him now make you feel like him less than. So him give the bossy version of it. The expat. An expat is a bossy way of saying immigrant. Understand, this is how you get defeated. Because everything we use are just words, dog. Are just words. These people are playing the long game. I'll see you in Jamaica and make sure you see your teeth them are skin off and your arms are wide open. Irie, man. We love it in Jamaica. They're so friendly. Jamaicans are so friendly. No, we're not. Jamaicans are legendary friend killers. We kill our own mum of land. Dead left land we don't even want. You don't know nothing about Jamaicans, foreign guy. The Jamaican you know, the little timid, submissive Jamaican in front of you, that's not how they are when they go back to their community. That's why no foreign guy can tell him about Jamaica, about him walk through flankers and him walk through Spanish Town and him don't know what I'm talking about because he doesn't see that. He know nothing about Jamaica, immigrant guy. Nothing. Jamaicans put out them best foot when they're in front of you because subconsciously they know you're their daddy. Just like when you're in front of your father. If you cuss bad word, you stop cussing when you're in front of your father. If you dress certain way, you make sure you fix up when you're in front of your father. Same thing Jamaicans. Their body language change. Their vocabulary change. Everything change. So happy Clown Day. National Clown Day. National Puppy Show Day. Eat, drink and be merry. Eat till the belly bust. My brother go as far as to declare say, Noah Lyles, I go real close to Johann's 200 meter time. My question now? Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bless.